I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this DIY replica of a Hobie LiveWell for under $100 versus $300-400. So let's get to it.
What's happening, baby? Living the dream! Yeah!
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Living the Outdoor Dreams. Well, this episode, I'm in the garage. We're about to do a DIY on a kayak, LiveWell. And the reason that I'm doing this is because Hobie, everybody loves Hobie's product, and I came across that Hobie has a LiveWell. Awesome, looks awesome. I don't have one personally, but it looks awesome, and it looks like it probably works really well. Well, I thought about it. I seen the price was like somewhere around like $300-400. Why are people paying this much for a product? Guess what? Your man's gonna help you out. Things that I purchased to build this. One, you can go on Amazon, go buy, it's a dog feeder. It's a dog feeder container, storage container. It looks almost identical like the one that they had. The lid comes with a rubber seal. Then I seen that theirs isn't screwed. Theirs has a little opening, like a little latch opening. So, as kayakers, y'all know what these are. And I bought one on Amazon. Comes with this, comes with a gasket, with the screw. Then I seen also they got these little brackets right on the side, holds the LiveWell down to the kayak. Well, you can buy them too. They look just like this in a little pack. I'll have all this in a description down below there. You're about to go and purchase this. I got a piece of plexiglass. I got this actually at Home Depot, but you can actually get this also at Amazon. I'll have that in the description down below also. Alright, I almost forgot one other important thing. You're gonna need a bubbler. You can buy this also on Amazon. Once again, at the bottom, I'll have everything that you're gonna need to build this. Tool wise, I would recommend grinder or a Dremel tool. You know, something, a Dremel tool that works with those things. What you're gonna need it for is cut the plexiglass and cut this. And you're gonna need a drill with a drill bit. All the tools you're gonna need. All right, so I got y'all up close, and you can see right here, this lid came with a gasket. All I did was put the gasket up there and put my inside marks of the gasket. And you can see it fits almost right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this plexiglass that I already got marked out. And if you look, there's a lip. I'm gonna cut this lip flat, and there's a lip going all the way around, a flat lip. I'm gonna put the plexiglass there, coming out to right here. And what that's gonna do is gonna give me a flat base for this lid to fit flat on. So it's gonna work out real good. You might get a little dirty doing this, but we have our plexiglass in there, and next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this ring and put it on like this and cut the inside and get that piece out. So I got the lid cut, I got the plexiglass. It's gonna fit real nice in there. Lid, we're gonna take the original lid and we're gonna screw it on there. Now plexiglass. Now you don't wanna go and just start screwing screws in there. You want to pre-drill it. All right, so I got the plexiglass. I put 3 screws in it, kind of made like a little triangle. Now remember, make sure your lid is screwed on all the way. Make sure it's screwed on all the way, because this lid right here needs to be fixed here, and you want it straight up and down. straight up and down. Right at the top, dead center. I'm gonna drill a hole. So I got my hole drilled right there. Now what that's gonna do, yes, I could go with markers and put markers all the way around, but me personally, I like fixing one location, get it snug, then go ahead and drill all the way through all of them. I got my screws set right there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and knock out the rest. It's nice and secure, it looks good. It's looking professional, boy. You can't even tell. Man, Hobie, y'all better watch yourself. I'm making stuff. Next thing you know, I'll be making kayak. We got that taken care of. Now, Hobie, like I said, this aerator, Hobie, they got it circulating with a pump. You don't want to do that. I got tons of videos on how to keep live shrimp alive, live bait, everything like that. You can hit the link up above. But the reason being, I'm going with an aerator, is because this is the best way to keep it. Whoa, did y'all hear that thunder? That's why I'm doing that this DIY inside. But the best way to keep your live bear alive is with an aerator. So I'm looking around, I'm like, all right, I can put it here, but no. So I think I'm gonna go right here because Hobie rod holders that's like right here on the backside. I'm not putting rod holders. Let's open this up. This thing right here comes with a little clamp. And we're just gonna make a little insert in there, the same width as this. So to do that, now we got a notch. So we can just take this and we're going to be able to slide in there. And that's in there. It's not going nowhere. You put the air hose, the air line, it's pretty easy. Just drill a hole straight in there and you pass it down. You're thinking to yourself, well, drill it straight at the top. No, I want to drill it right here on this back side. So when this little ball is in the LiveWell, it's all the way in the back. It's not in the front where when I go to get shrimp, because I'm gonna be using shrimp more than anything, it's not gonna be in my way. It's gonna be all the way in the back. Now we're almost done. This is looking 100% professional. We're almost done. Now we gotta get these mounts. Get 2 of them. And we're gonna go right on the side. But I'm gonna go up on this base right here. Because higher you go, is gonna give it better support. And I'm gonna find dead center. I got the brackets on, got the aerator, got the lid. It's almost done. It's looking awesome. It's looking exactly how I imagined. All right, so now it's done. But wait, it's missing. So right when you think it's over with, Hobie likes putting their logo on their stuff. I like putting mine too. So if you want to see me go and do some fishing or whatever, go ahead and hit the link up above to the next video. Stay living the dream.